What
Is your
about
good
bears?
girl?
Yeah. I'm scared of bears.
There's no bears, right?
But,
Yeah, there is.
but what happens if a bear comes?
Yeah.
What happens? Daddy's here.
I scream
Right?
and run away. I scream and run away. And
You lock the doors.
Oh my God, it's a bear.
There's no bears.
Hey, there's a bear.
Ava, there's no bear,
I
Mama.
locked the door for a reason, Ava.
There's no bear.
It's okay.
Oh,
He's
what?
not around here.
And here he is.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
No, it's okay, right, Mommy?
No.
Yeah, we're okay. We're gonna go swimming.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we're
Yeah,
gonna have a
indoor.
good time. It's outdoor
Mia,
with the
Mia,
bears.
he's all
Is it
gone.
indoor?
Yeah.
Is it indoor?
Mia,
Is it
Mia.
indoor?